To add virtual labs and lab questions into your ALEKS course, you're first going to want to make sure you're clicked into the right section, and then you can select the class content menu and head to the assignments page. On the assignments page, you'll see our list of existing assignments in your course, but you'll want to click the Add New button in the upper left-hand corner and select Assignment from the drop-down menu in order to add a new virtual lab. From the new assignment page, you'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom to find the section to add a virtual lab. You can first name and date the lab as needed, and then you can scroll down and you'll see our entire list of alphabetized virtual labs. Because these are not specific to your course product, you may want to use the search functionality or the filtering functionality to narrow this down to find the labs for you and your students. You'll see the name of each lab as well as the average time spent per student and a range of time spent per student so you can get a good indication of what you're giving to your students. As you're scrolling down, if there's one that you're interested in, you can use the eye icon next to the name of the virtual lab in order to jump into the interactive preview. You'll first be presented with the introduction page just like the students would be, and then you can continue into the lab simulation. When you continue into the lab simulation, one tip is to pay attention to this pop-up menu. Depending on if you're using a PC or a Mac, you'll want to use these various keystrokes in order to skip ahead phases so you don't have to do the entirety of each phase to see what's inside of the virtual lab. Once you've decided this lab is one that you want to add to your assignment, you'll want to use the exit arrow in the upper left-hand corner to exit the simulation. You'll then scroll down and select that lab from the menu, and you'll select Continue. You'll then want to make sure you have the settings the way that you want them, including the points possible, as well as adjusting any of the other settings on the page. When you're finished, you can click on Create Assignment, and that virtual lab will be added to your course. If you're wanting to add any lab questions to go with that virtual lab, you'll want to select the plus new menu in the upper left-hand corner again, an assignment from the drop-down menu, and this time you're going to want to select Homework. On this homework assignment, again, you can name and date it as needed, and then where it says Question Bank, you'll want to switch it from the defaulted ALEKS topics down to the specific lab questions. On the lab questions, you can select the lab that you're looking for, and underneath it you may have another chapter that you can select from as well. You'll then see our list of lab questions that go with that specific lab. You can select all that you're wanting to add to your assignment and click Add, or you can drag and drop them from the left to the right-hand side. If you'd like to preview one of these questions, you can use the preview icon over to the right, or you can select multiple by checking them off here and clicking on Preview. Once you're finished adding the labs to this assignment, you'll click Continue. It'll take you to the settings page where you can set all the settings, and then you'll click Create Assignment to add those lab questions into your course.